Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. Today, we'll be learning how to send story to your friends on Instagram. If you are an Instagram user, you must know about the Instagram Stories feature. It is a great way to share photos and videos that you want your friends and followers to see. If you want to share your Instagram story to one of your friends, you can also share other people's story to your friends. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open your Instagram application from your app drawer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're logged into your account from your home screen of Instagram, go and tap open your story first. To open up your story, tap on your story icon at the top left. Once you do that, you'll be able to open up your story. Tap on the More button and tap on Copy Link. Once you've copied the link, you can go ahead and search for any contact that you'd like to send your Instagram story link to. Tap on the search button at the bottom of the screen and in the search box, type in the name of your friend. In the search result that appears, tap on your contact's name and this will open up their profile. Go to the message button and then from your conversation screen, tap on the message text box and then simply paste in your link by tapping on the message box one more time. Tap on paste and now the link has been pasted in the text box. Tap send and you'll be able to share your story to one of your contacts via using a link. Now, if you want to share someone else's Instagram story, you'll only be able to do so if the person has enabled sharing option in their story and set their viewer settings to public. Tap on one of the contact's story from the top of the screen. Open up any story that you'd like to share and tap on the three dots at the top right. Now, if the person has set the story to public, then you'll be able to copy and share the link of the story. Tap on Copy Link, and once the link has been copied, go to your direct message, or you can also search for the contact by tapping on the search button at the bottom of the screen and typing in their name. Once you open up the person's profile, go tap on the message button and in the conversation screen, paste in the link that you just copied and then tap on send in order to send the story link to the person. That way, you'll be able to send your story to your friends on Instagram. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.